Hello, my superstars, and welcome back. I know exams are just around the corner, so today we're going to do a super quick, super fun revision of a chapter I know you'll just love. So let's get started. I know. Exam time can feel a little bit tense. So many chapters, so much to learn. But trust me on this one, this is one topic where you can just relax. That's right, not for this chapter. After this quick little explainer, you're going to feel so confident. I'm telling you, full marks in this topic are absolutely pukka. You'll be a shape superstar, I promise. Okay then, let's jump right in. I want you to imagine we're not studying. Instead, we are opening a big magical toy box. And inside, we're going to play with and revise all our 3D shapes. Let's call it our toy box revision. And here they are, our main family of shapes. Say hello to our 5 best friends for today. We have the cube, the cuboid, the cylinder, the cone, and of course, the sphere. We're going to get to know each of them one by one. So, let's start with our boxy buddies. You know, the ones with all the flat faces and straight, sharp edges. These guys don't really roll around. First up, we have the perfect cube. Just think about the dice you use to play Ludo or Snakes and Ladders. What's so special about it? Well, every single one of its faces is a perfect, equal square.
Now, listen up, because this is super duper important for your exam. A cube always has 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges, and 8 sharp corners, which we also call vertices. Just remember this little magic code: 6, 12, 8. Got it? Perfect.
And next, here is the cube's cousin, the cuboid. You can think of it like someone took a cube and just stretched it out. Your pencil box, your textbook, even your duster, they're all perfect examples of a cuboid. So what's the main difference between them? It's really simple. On a cube, all the faces are identical squares. But on a cuboid, the faces are rectangles. That's the main thing you have to remember. All right, let's move on to our next group of friends. I call them the rolling rockstars. These are the shapes with all the lovely curves that can just roll all over the place. Chamalo, let's meet them. First up is the cylinder. Just look around you, your water bottle, or maybe a can of your favorite drink. See? It has 2 flat circular faces, one at the top, one at the bottom, and one big curved face that goes all the way around. And who doesn't love a cone, right? It looks exactly like a birthday party hat or your favorite ice cream cone. It has one flat circular face at the bottom, one pointy little corner or vertex right at the top, and one curved face. And finally, we have the simplest, easiest shape of them all, the sphere. It's just a ball, a cricket ball, a football, any kind of ball. And the easiest thing to remember about it? It has 0 edges and 0 corners. Just one big, continuous, curved surface. Okay, so you've met the entire family now. Are you ready for a little challenge? Let's do a quick rapid-fire quiz, just like the kind of questions you'll get in your exam. Get ready? All right, first question. Take a really good look at this cute little toy train engine. It's made up of lots of different shapes, isn't it? So, the question is, how many different shapes can you see here? Look very carefully at all the parts. You know, the body, the chimney, the wheels, everything. Okay, time's up. Did you get it right? Let's check our answers together. There is 1 red cylinder, 2 yellow cones on top, 1 gray cuboid at the bottom, and 1 little blue cube for the driver's cabin. Well done if you spotted all of them. Ready for the next one? Awesome. Now look at this big jumble of shapes. All our friends are here in this picture. Now this is a very, very common exam question. Which of these shapes have only flat faces? Remember, no curves allowed. Think about our boxy buddies. And the answer is the cubes and the cuboids, of course. They're the only ones made up of just flat squares and rectangles. See? Bilkul easy. Okay, last rapid-fire question for today. Which shape is the complete opposite? Which one has absolutely 0 flat faces? It's the one that just loves to roll around. And the answer is the sphere. Of course. Our friendly little ball shape has no flat faces at all. Just one big, beautiful curve. You guys are getting so good at this. And that's it. Just like that, our revision is done. You have all done so well today. I am so proud of each and every one of you. You are all now certified shape superstars. You have completely, totally aced this. You know all about these amazing shapes now. So my final question for you is this. Look around you, at your toys, at the buildings outside. What amazing things will you build with these shapes? Think about that. All the very best for your exams. You are going to be fantastic.